Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-250 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can also be locked at the hinge for added security. And then in the middle here you have two flip-out cup holders as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Then looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 91,528 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. And then you have your display mode with your engine hours, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures, and digital speedometer. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your truck. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your hill descent assist. And moving down you have your media controls as well as your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use. To the left you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Moving down you have you have another 12-volt as well as two USBs and this little compartment here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift so you can manually shift your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. But then looking at your center console, where you have two cup holders, your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath that is lockable, with some flip-out cup holders like so, and a ton of room in there, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky. And then last but not least, you do have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.